Today, we're going to talk about building your daily trading game plan. Because most traders don't fail because of their strategies, they fail because they don't have a real plan. They wake up, they open their platforms, they see something moving, and they just react. By the time they're in the trade, it's already too late. They don't know their risk, they don't know where they're wrong. That's not trading, that's gambling. Professional traders operate completely different. They come into the day with a defined game plan. They know exactly what they're trading, where they're going to trade it at, and the exact thing that needs to happen before they take a position. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to build a daily trading game plan, the exact structure I use inside Market Pro Trading, so you can stop reacting and start executing with clarity. I'm Kevin Lloyd, and I've been a trader for over 20 years. So let's start with the big picture. Before you even look at a single stock, you need context. What type of market are we in today? Are we trending? Is the market up? Is it down? Are we range bound? Are we volatile? If so, and why? Because the market environment dictates what strategies are going to work and not. If the market is trending, you should be focused on continuation setups. If it's choppy and range bound, you need to be more selective and quicker to take profits. If it's highly volatile, your position size and risk needs to adjust. At the same time, you should be aware of any major news or events, things like economic data, Fed speakers, earnings announcements, anything that can impact the overall market behavior. This step is simple, but it's critical, because if you ignore the big picture, you're trading without context. And once you understand the environment, now you move on to building your watch list. And this is where most traders overcomplicate things. Your job is not to find 20 stocks that are moving big. It's not to have a massive list. Your job is to identify a small group of high quality opportunities, typically 3 to 5 stocks that are actually in play. Each one should have a clear catalyst, strong volume, and clean technical structure. And more importantly, you should understand why it's on your list. If you can't explain the opportunity in 1 or 2 sentences, it doesn't belong on your watch list. Now, once you have your names, this is where the real work begins, planning the trade. This is the part that separates professionals from everyone else. For every stock on your list, you need to define your key levels. Where is the pre-market high? Where is the pre-market low? Are there any important daily levels? The previous day's high, the low, these are levels where decisions are made. From there, you build your if-then scenarios. You're not predicting what the stock will do. You're preparing for what it could do. For example, you might say, if this stock holds above VWAP and breaks the pre-market high with volume, then I'm looking for a long continuation move. Or, if this stock fails to hold above support and breaks below the pre-market low, then I'm looking to go short. You notice the difference? You're not guessing. You're reacting to predefined conditions. This allows you to stay patient and disciplined, because if your setup doesn't trigger, there's no trade. And that's actually a position too. Now let's talk about risk, because this is where consistency is built or destroyed. Before the market opens, you should already know your maximum daily loss. This is your line in the sand. If you hit it, you're done for the day. No exceptions. You're clearly not seeing the market the right way. You should also know your risk per trade, how much you're willing to lose if you're wrong on a single idea. And you should also have a limit on the number of trades you take. These rules are not there to restrict you, they're there to protect you. Because the fastest way to blow up an account is not one bad trade, it's a series of undisciplined decisions. Now, when the market opens, your job becomes very simple. You're not scanning, you're not searching, you're not chasing. You're executing your plan. You're watching your stocks and your levels. You're waiting for your conditions. And when they trigger, you act decisively. If they don't trigger, you do nothing. Pretty simple. That's how professionals trade. It's not constant hunting for stocks on the move. It's selective execution. And then at the end of the day, there's one final piece. And this is where the real growth happens, your review. You need to go back and evaluate your performance. Not just your P&L, but your whole process. Did you follow your plan? Did you take trades that met your criteria? Did you respect your risk? And where did you make any mistakes? Most importantly, What is the one thing that you can improve tomorrow? Because trading is a skill, and like any skill, it's developed through repetition and feedback. If you're not reviewing your trades, you will repeat your mistakes. So when you put it all together, your daily trading game plan becomes very simple and very structured. You start with the big picture, understanding the market environment, whether you're in a bullish environment, a bearish environment, or just chopping back and forth. You narrow your focus to a small list of stocks in play. You define your key levels and then build if then scenarios. You set your risk parameters before they open. You execute only when your conditions are met. And you review your performance at the end of each day. That's it. It's not complicated, but it requires discipline. And if you can do this consistently day after day, you'll start to notice something. Your decisions get clearer, your trades get cleaner, and your results become way more consistent. Because you're no longer reacting to the market, you're trading with a plan. And if you're watching this and realizing you don't have a clear daily trading game plan, or you're still coming into the market reacting instead of executing, I can help you with that. At Market Pro Trading, I work directly with traders to build a structured, repeatable game plan so you know exactly what you're trading, where you're trading it, and how you're managing risk before you ever enter a trade. If you want help creating a focused plan, improving your discipline, and trading with more clarity and consistency, then contact me directly. I'm Kevin Lloyd with Market Pro Trading, and I'll see you in the next video.